Today we'll simply practice counting and breathing. The purpose of counting is to train your mind to focus without being easily distracted. As you build your focus, you'll be able to achieve deep states of meditation and eventually explore higher forms of consciousness. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. And go ahead and close your eyes. And let's breathe together. And breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. We'll begin counting each breath now. On your next inhale, silently count 1. And then in your exhale, count 2. And we'll do this together. If your mind starts to wander, that's totally fine. It's part of the process. If your attention drifts, totally fine. Just bring it back to my voice. And let's practice counting with breathing. So inhale 1 and exhale 2. And inhale 3 and exhale 4. Inhale 5 and exhale 6. Inhale 7. Exhale 8. Inhale 9 and exhale 10. As you count, feel the rhythm of your breath anchoring you to this present moment. There's nothing for you to do except breathe and count. So breathe in, and you count on your own now in your mind. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And breathe in. Breathe out. That should be 10. If you lost track or ended up in a different count, don't worry. It's all good. Breathe easy. Let's go ahead and do this one more time before we switch to a different kind of counting. So breathe in 1. Breathe out 2. Breathe in 3. Breathe out 4. Breathe in 5. Breathe out 6. Breathe in 7. Breathe out 8. Breathe in 9. Breathe out 10. Now the other count of counting that we're going to practice right now is counting each second. So we were counting our breaths, but now we're going to count each second. And either way of practicing counting works depending on what you prefer. So let's count each second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what you want to ask yourself every time you get to 10 is if you were totally focused on the counting during that time without your mind drifting. And if not, you just keep going and you keep bringing your attention back to the counting. And if you lose track, it's okay to restart. So now we're going to count to 20. All right, let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. Were you able to keep your focus for the full 20 seconds? Let's try this one more time. And thoughts will try to wander in, and it's okay. Bring your attention back to my voice and back to the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. So now I'd like for you to count on your own, in your mind, without my voice, and count to 20. And I'll be silent while you count. Okay? So go ahead and begin counting from 1 to 20 in your mind silently, and stay as focused as you can. All right, very good. We're approaching the end of our meditation. I hope that you'll find either of these two, breathing and counting, or just counting techniques, very beneficial. Please practice on your own time, and it will help you get to a very focused place where the mind will slowly over time, whether it's after 10 sessions or 10 weeks, it's at God's timing. At some point, it will start to become very blank and quiet, and you'll start to feel a lot of inner peace and gain a lot of mental clarity through that quietness. Let's breathe a little before we conclude our meditation, and just simply breathe. We don't have to count. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, when you're ready, you can gently Wiggle your fingers and toes and bring your awareness back to the room. You can go ahead and open your eyes, or you can choose to continue. Totally up to you. And I hope you found this meditation technique to be beneficial. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.